Have you heard? We are now sharing apples, it's true. In addition to beautiful, well-adapted for short seasons organic seeds, we are sharing organic apple trees. Bare rootstock, beautifully adapted for short seasons, delicious as well as disease resistant. So yes, we have 8 varieties of apple, all different types. Check them out. And we not only have the actual apple trees to share with you, check out our blog, and we created a whole free online course, our Organic Apples and Orcharding course. So it walks you through step by step, season by season, everything that you need to know to surround yourself with apple abundance this and for many years and generations to come. So yes, we look so forward to sharing all of this and more with you, friends. We are always learning and always growing, and we love to share everything that we learn and we grow with you. And don't be shy.